Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Fidelity Investments account step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone. Type Fidelity. Come into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the official Fidelity website to fully load. Look for the login button at the top of the page. Click or tap login to open the sign-in form. Confirm you are on the correct site by checking the URL shows Fidelity. In the username field, type your Fidelity username. In the password field, type your password carefully. Double-check your username and password for typos and correct capitalization. If you are on a private device, you may choose to check Remember My Username. Avoid using Remember My Username on public or shared computers. Click or tap the login button to submit your details. If prompted, complete the security verification step shown on the screen. If Fidelity asks for a code, choose how you want to receive it, such as text or email. Retrieve the security code from your phone or email inbox. Enter the code exactly as received in the verification field. Click or tap Continue to finish the verification. If you see a prompt about trusting the device, select Trust only on your personal device. Wait a moment while your account dashboard loads. Confirm you are logged in by looking for your name or account summary on the page. If you forgot your username, select the Forgot Username link on the login page. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and recover your username. If you forgot your password, select the Forgot Password link. Create a new password using the required rules and save it in a secure place. Return to the login page after resetting credentials. Log in again using your updated username or password. If login still fails, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. For account access issues, use Fidelity customer support options shown on the site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.